Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to cut ginseng root. First, it's important to prepare your ginseng properly. For fresh roots, gently rinse them under cool, running water to remove any soil. Avoid scrubbing too hard, as the root's skin is quite delicate. If you have dried ginseng, it will need a special softening step before you can cut it. This initial preparation ensures your ginseng is clean and ready for the next stages. Dried ginseng roots are incredibly hard, making them almost impossible to cut without softening them first. The best way to do this is by steaming. Place your dried roots in a vegetable steamer over 2 to 3 inches of boiling water. Cover the pot and steam small roots for about 5 to 10 minutes. Larger roots, like jumbo ones, might need up to 25 or 30 minutes to become soft enough to slice easily. Once your ginseng is soft, it's time to cut it. Use a very sharp knife to create thin, even slices while the root is still warm. Thinner slices are excellent for making tea or for chewing directly. You can also cut the root into smaller, uniform chunks, perhaps 1 to 2 centimeters in length, for soups or tinctures. If you desire ginseng powder, ensure your cut pieces are completely dry, then grind them using a dedicated spice or coffee grinder. Proper storage is essential to maintain your ginseng's potency. Fresh roots can be refrigerated for several weeks when wrapped in a damp paper towel. For extended storage, clean and dry fresh roots, then freeze them for up to 1 year. Dried slices or powder should be stored in airtight containers in a cool, dark cupboard where they can last for many years. Enjoy your cut ginseng in teas, soups, tinctures, or simply chew the slices for a direct benefit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.